Hey guys, it's day 23 of me talking English. Technically, it's day 24, but I didn't make video yesterday, so it's day 23. Today, I learned an amazing editing trick. It's not a trick; it's actually available before. Just I learned today. We can edit nice videos in mobile too with super apps like CapCut, Alight Motion. Today, what I'm going to say is animations like Iman Gutsy and other YouTubers like do these kind of videos we can edit in just mobile. I'll show you what I edited. I will put screen record basic of what I edited. So yeah. In that clip, I showed you the basics of keyframe. In Alight Motion, we can literally add keyframe for anything. In adding colors, we can add keyframe. To move, we can add color frames. It basically we can animate anything in Alight Motion. So yeah, this is what I learned today. This is basic because that's what I know too. So yeah, that's all, guys. I have no time now also, so I'm ending this video now. See you guys tomorrow.